Everyone, I want to show off this new purple leaf umbrella that we have. It's going to be great for the pool patio here. You can see it is large and heavy duty. There's a little handle right here. All I need to do is squeeze the handle, raise it up a little bit. You can see how it's cantilevered. And then here on this side, there's a crank. I'm just going to crank it open. And once it's taut, that's all we need to do. Then I can adjust the angle of it very easily just by squeezing the handle and raising or lower this. If you wanted to disassemble this, all you need to do is twist this handle. This will separate out and you can stow it away for winter or in case of heavier storms. And then here down below, there's a little foot pedal. If I can push that with my foot, then I can rotate this entire umbrella exactly where I want my shade to be. When I release the pedal, it locks into place and will be secure. So this just started to sprinkle out here and you can see the water beating up on this already. So it keeps everything nice and dry underneath as well. Totally waterproof. You can also see at the top there is a vented ridge cap so that the heat can dissipate from underneath and you get a nice cool breeze. It's not going to keep it hot under there on the hot and humid days.